Hey everyone, welcome back to Minute English with Ha, where you learn real English in just 5 minutes a day. Today is day 5 of our 30-day English challenge, and we're learning how to talk about your family and friends in English. Let's begin. Do you have a big family?
Yeah, pretty big. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. What about you?
Wow, that's a lot. My family is small, just my parents and me.
That's nice. Are you close with your family?
Yes, very close. I talk to my parents almost every day.
That's sweet. Do you all live in the same city?
No, my parents live in another country, but we call each other often.
That's great. It's important to stay in touch.
Totally agree. What about your family?
Well, I live with my parents and my younger sister. She's 16 and still in high school.
That must be fun. Do you get along well with her?
Most of the time, yes. We fight sometimes, but we're close.
That's normal. Siblings always fight sometimes.
Exactly. She's funny and very talkative, so there's never a quiet moment at home.
Sounds like she keeps the house lively.
Yes, definitely. What about your brothers and sister?
My older brother is married and has a little boy, he's 2 years old. My younger brother is still in university. My sister just started working.
Wow, your family sounds amazing. Do you see them often?
Not very often because we live in different cities, but we always meet during holidays.
That's nice. Family gatherings are always special.
Yes, I love them. Lots of food, laughter, and noise.
Same here. My mom always cooks way too much during family get-togethers.
Haha, that's a mom thing. So, let's talk about friends. Do you have a big friend group or just a few close friends?
I prefer a few close friends. I'm not really into big groups.
Same, quality over quantity.
Exactly. I have 2 best friends from high school. We've known each other for more than 10 years.
That's amazing. What do you usually do when you hang out?
We go for coffee, talk about life, or watch a movie together.
Sounds perfect. Do they live near you?
One of them does, but the other lives abroad. We still talk online almost every week.
That's great. Real friendship stays strong even with distance.
Exactly. What about you? Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Lisa. We met at university.
Nice. What's she like?
She's kind, funny, and super supportive. She's like a sister to me.
Aw, that's so nice. Everyone needs a friend like that.
Totally agree. She always listens when I'm stressed.
That's real friendship, being there for each other.
Yes, I'm really thankful for my friends and family.
Same here. They make life so much better.
Now it's your turn. Let's do some shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I have a small family.
I have a small family.
I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
I'm very close to my parents.
I'm very close to my parents.
My best friend is funny and kind.
My best friend is funny and kind.
We love hanging out and talking together.
We love hanging out and talking together.
I'm thankful for my family and friends.
I'm thankful for my family and friends. Great job. Now let's go over some useful vocabulary. Parents, your mother and father. Siblings, your brothers and sisters. Cousins, the children of your aunts and uncles. Relatives, all the people in your extended family. Best friend, your closest friend. Hang out, spend time together. Get along, have a good relationship.
Now you can describe your family and friends easily in English. Thanks for watching Minute English with Ha. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like, subscribe, and tell me about your family or best friend in the comments. I'll read some tomorrow. See you in day 6, where we'll talk about daily habits and healthy lifestyles. Hand waving.